Airbnb has become a household name worldwide, but did you know that there are several other platforms that offer similar services, especially in France? Let's dive into some of these alternatives. First up, we have Booking.com, a major competitor of Airbnb. Known for its hotel reservations, Booking.com has expanded its services to include seasonal rentals. Although its platform isn't as intuitive as Airbnb's for seasonal rentals, it's making strides to improve user experience. Next, we have Abritel, a French platform owned by HomeAway. Abritel is often compared to Airbnb due to its intuitive platform and customer-centric approach. It offers two pricing models, a commission-based model and a subscription model, giving property owners flexibility in how they list their properties. Then there's us, UpperKey. We offer a comprehensive property management service, taking care of everything from writing your ad to producing professional photos and selecting travelers. With UpperKey, you can focus on your favorite activities while we handle your property management needs. Another Airbnb alternative in France is Morning Croissant. This startup, founded in 2011, offers more than 20,000 housing units in France. It caters to both short-term and long-term rentals, providing a flexible solution for property owners. Choosing the right platform depends on your specific needs and objectives. Whether you're a property owner looking to list your property or a traveler seeking a place to stay, these Airbnb alternatives offer a variety of options. That's it for our tour of Airbnb's competitors in France. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the alternatives available in the market. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to drop us a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, au revoir.